What's up, y'all? So in this video, I'm sharing how I make my 7-layer dip for the Sabbath. I had a sister basically ask me to make it. She was thinking about it at work, so I made it again. I probably made it about a month ago at the most. And so this is how I make it. Normally, I get like a regular can of refried beans and I season it a little bit. With like the regular taco seasoning basically, and then I use the big, kind of like a big thing of holy guacamole, just the regular classic kind. Is the kind I like. I don't like the ones with all the onions and stuff in it. So here I am just spreading it out. Shout out Sister K for asking me to make it again. Shout out to my baby boy because he was like, let's video, and I was like, oh yeah, we might as well. Normally I make it the night before the Sabbath, but I was really tired, and so I got up. I was like, oh snaps, I gotta make this 7-layer dip. I gotta put it together. So I didn't even cook my beans. I got them straight out the can and started seasoning them together in a bowl. Again, topped it with the holy guacamole. And then here I am with the sour cream. And you mix the sour cream with the taco seasoning. So I'm getting ready to do that real quick. Mix. So yeah, I make this for the Sabbath because normally on the Sabbath we eat cold food. I don't use my microwave on the Sabbath day. I don't use a crock pot or anything like that on the Sabbath. So most of the time we're eating dips like this. Some people do pasta. We don't do pasta too often. But we do like sandwiches. We'll make sub sandwiches with like fish, turkey, different things like that, roast beef. What else do we be making on the Sabbath? We eat salads and we'll put like an egg and some bacon in it. So that's the sour cream layer right there. Next, you get your Mexican cheese, spread it off the top. And I actually ended up putting beef bacon on top of this. I was wanting to make beef bacon just to eat by itself in the morning. And my husband just was like, well, go ahead and just put it on top of the dip that you're going to make. So I was like, all right, whatever. Did that. So that's the bacon I'm pulling out right there. I did cook that the night before. But I put this together as soon as I woke up the next morning before we went to church. I had some time to let it get cool in the all the way cool in the refrigerator. Here I am. I need one of those vegetable choppers I be seeing people with. I think I got it in my Amazon cart. Here you go with the green onions. I think I should have put a little bit more green onions on it, but it works. Top it off. I think the last topping that the recipe says is these jalapenos. And I've learned that I gotta put a lot of jalapenos. I got this big old thing of jalapenos from Sam's for like $5. Shout out to Sam. And shout out to my sister who got me on Sam's. I've been knowing that's really how you're supposed to shop in bulk. But she definitely confirmed it for me. So I've been going to Sam's a lot more and I just love it. So here goes the beef bacon. Again, beef bacon on the top is not needed. I don't think it is needed at all, honestly. Cover it with foil. I put the Fritos recipe in the description box. Y'all, please comment, subscribe. Definitely trying to get my subscribers up. So share with a friend and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.